Alright. So this... I actually needed a replacement wireless mouse ever since my other one started having clicking problems. As in, it wouldn't actually click on anything unless I smacked on it. Like, smacked on the left clicker. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, give me a sec. Alright. Look at that. Wireless charging luminous mouse. I don't know what kind of battery it's charging. FreeWolf. Now, what does this say? Please just focus. Cool, colorful. Okay, I'll just read. Look at there. Cool, colorful breathing lamp. What do you say? Come on, focus. Professional game equipment. Nice. Also, if you wonder how much this was $12.37. So game chip, cool backlight, game offline. I sure hope I can game offline. Built-in weight block. What? Wireless charging. Yes, I see. So, I guess that's all the sides. That was the front. And looky here. As you see, it constantly says wireless charging luminous mouse. Is that your catchphrase for this mouse or your company? I don't know if that's all the different colors they're gonna be, or is that different modes it has.
Well, I give a flashlight on.
There we go. Now, oh, I see. So it's just like the switch. There's one end it specifically opens at. I can see how this is mostly sold online. Because if this was sold in stores, that would be so easy to steal. Wait, did I? I did not. I did not show this side. Zealing. Game mouse. Okay. Oh, shoot. Not as much as I thought would be in here. But then again, I wasn't expecting much either. So here's a charging cable. Just another USB. Just another USB to micro USB cable I now own. Let's get the manual. Wait, what? I thought that was like a booklet or something, but I guess no. Is this just a thank you note? Can be a key control. Power. Built and recharge. Okay. Also, if it sounds like I barely have any energy, it's because I'm basically sick right now. for quite so many days, and yeah, I'm just doing my best to try to react to this or unbox it. Let's put this box aside. Oh, I thought I had to unwrap it, but no. It's one of those where it's one of those where it's just in a foam bag, I guess. Wow. Now what is this? There's actual screws in this? Well, on the sides, that is. Oh my gosh. That's a big wheel. Please focus. There we go. FreeWolf. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Also, in the part 2 coming in the future, I will show the rest of this. Probably show it as a short, but see, my previous mouse was smaller than this. I was trying to find something as small as my previous mouse, but I couldn't. So I decided to just choose something within the price range I was okay with. And then this, well, I would have chose one from Walmart. That would have been the same as my previous one, but there was a shipping fee that nearly took all the money I had on me at the moment. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. Then I went to eBay just to see about the shipping fee there, and like, it was good enough. Like, I think there was no shipping fee. Besides, I got money off from this, like a discount somehow. So that's a big plus. So yeah. I'll see you in part 2 where I'm gonna show what this looks like when it's on.